once again to the channel, and this is Chinex right here. Okay, so I hope you had an amazing time trading last week. Yeah, over here we did have an amazing time trading. I and the members of my community. So on my screen right now is XAUSD, and this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you can see this projection on my screen right here. So it was a trade we had on last week, and if you watch our forecast last week, you would have seen this setup on my screen. Okay, so I told you we're expecting bearish movements for XAUSD after the inducement over there, after the liquidity grab off the double tops. We're expecting a downpour, and we entered a sell from this level. Okay, and last week we saw a TP met. Okay, and I remember from there I said we could see bullish rides from this demand, and that's exactly what we are seeing. So right now we're going to be looking at the chart to see what to expect moving forward. So last week was an amazing week for each of us. Okay, last week was an amazing week, and I'm sure it was too for you if you stayed if you were tuned to the channel last week. I'm sure it was an amazing one for you too. Okay guys, so as always, let's do a top down analysis. Let's see what to expect on XAUUSD. Okay, so starting from the daily time frame, let's see what to expect. Okay, so on the daily time frame for XAU, let me quickly take this off. Okay, so on the daily time frame for XAUSD, you can see that we are reacting off this demand level we have been talking about for a while now. So for a while I've been saying I've been expecting price to come down to this POI below. Okay, so that's this level, and then you can see price reacting decently off that level. Okay, so this is a valid supply level to watch out for. So we're going to see how price reacts off that point. So personally, I'm still expecting more bearish downpour. So I don't really think this demand is strong enough to take us high. Okay, so structurally this is a weak demand, a weak one, because it couldn't take previous high. Okay, yeah, so those who understand structures, you agree with me that it's more like okay, so this is more like the high here created a retracement. It's like a higher high, the retracement, and then you can see we are inside the range right now, so we are unable to create higher highs from that level. Okay, so I doubt this demand will be able to take us up. So if this supply breaks, this supply here, if it fails on the daily, then we can expect to see a bullish run. Okay, probably first to this area on the charts, okay, and then next to above. Okay, but if we are unable to break through this supply point, then we might expect to see a bearish rally from here, okay, over to this demand below. Okay, so that's what I would be expecting moving forward. Okay, so I'll be expecting price to dump further to this demand below. So I'm more on the bearish side, but we're going to see how it's pushed through. We don't predict price, we follow price. Okay, but from what I see on the chart, I expect more downpour towards this demand. So let's look at the 4 hour time frame really quickly, guys. With that said, okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, what I have marked there is the 4 hour supply point responsible for the momentum that brought us down to this demand level. Okay, so that's this 4 hour supply level here. So price is already levitating towards it. So let's see how price reacts on that point. If it reacts very firmly enough, then we'll expect to dump further from here. Okay, so we're going to see to that. But failure to dump from here, like I said, we'll be looking at getting to higher levels like this on the charts. Okay, so that's that for the 4 hour time frame. Then let's look at the 1 hour time frame really quickly. Okay, so for the 1 hour time frame for gold, yeah, the bullish momentum here is weak. You can see the very tiny prints on the 1 hour, very tiny print. So this might just be a fill up of this momentum here, okay, of this inefficiency, like to fill up the fair value gap here. So I'm expecting decent reaction of this supply. This is my POI I'm looking out for, guys. So you could also set this up on your screen. and maybe once price reacts here and we get a confirmation to short, then we are all gonna shut down. Okay, so you could join my community, you could join the free Telegram community to get free price updates and signals also alongside, and some educational content. Or you could join our private community. Your growth is paramount there, so we give you daily signals, we give you price forecasts, we give you we review our trades, good or bad. So we do webinars and a whole lot of contents for you on the private community, a whole lot. So you could feel free to join us anywhere you can and stay updated, so we could update you with price price play, okay, along the week. Okay, so that'll be that for XAUSD. This is just simply what I'm expecting to see on the chart. So we are ready to react from this supply. So this is like the determinant point for me to see what we are going to be doing for the week. Okay, so with that said, let's look at GBP USD really quickly. Yeah. Okay, so on my screen right now is GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. So last week I mapped out this supply level here, and I said I was expecting some form of reaction of this level. Sorry about that. I said I was expecting some form of bearish reaction from this breaker supply here. Okay, so as we can see, price reacted off that level, although swept it up a little due to the momentum it came with. We experienced a little sweep above the supply, but from there we actually saw a reversal. So after the sweep here, we can see that price reversed as said. Okay, so last week so this was where the market closed for last week. Yes, so I told you guys that I was expecting this supply here to hold us and bring us down. Okay, so and that's exactly how it played out. Although, like I said, you can see this little sweep above due to the momentum. I think that was a fundamental play. Okay, and I told you guys that first I want to see another type of this area, and then from here probably further downpour. Okay, so the bears had it, and we have actually reacted on the demand level we're talking about. So we're going to see what to expect from there moving forward. Yeah, we're going to see what to expect from there moving forward. So we have been updating our members as said on the group. So I updated them on this supply here, this breaker also. So I'm expecting to see a decent reaction of this level to continue the downward ride. Okay, but let's see. Let's do a top-down analysis and then see what to expect. Okay. So firstly, we go to the daily time frame to see what it says. So this is daily time frame for GBP USD right now, and let me take this off. Okay, so this is daily time frame, and you can see we are reacting off this this valid demand level right here. So we are reacting off this valid demand level. Okay, and then from this level here, I said if we break below this level, then we target the lower demand. Okay, let me make that clear enough. Okay, so if we break below this demand level, we can target this other demand level here. Okay, and then that's going to be determined by this eye here. Okay, yeah, so but if we are unable to break below this demand level, then we might just see some more bullish ride. Okay, so this is the daily time frame, and this is what I'm expecting, although you have to pay attention to preliminary demand levels like this one here. Okay, so for demand levels like this, we are going to be updating you all in the community, so make sure you're in the community to stay updated. Okay, so let's look at the 4-hour time frame for GBP USD. Okay, so for GBP on the 4-hour time frame, so we are already seeing a form of reaction of this supply level, the way price has reacted so far. So we're going to see how far this is able to hold. So if this is able to take this low here, then it might be a good start. So might be a good start to indicate the bearish intent. Okay, so we're going to see to that on the 4-hour. But GBP still looks more bearish to me, although that's only confirmed when this demand fails. So if the demand does not fail, then we could still experience some bullish rally. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so lastly on the 1 hour time frame, uh, so on the 1 hour, I want to see how price reacts off this area. Okay, so this is just simply what we'll be looking at for the week. Like I've been saying already, if we react firmly from here, we react decently from here, then we will see decent bearish movements down to this area. Okay, but failure to react decently from here and price leaves this area, then we continue enjoying the bullish ride for as long as it lasts. So we're going to see how this plays out, guys. Remember, be a part of the community so you can stay updated with price, and do well to be sure you have clicked on the subscribe icon, the subscription icon on your screen, so that you can be updated when next we drop valuable content like this. Do have an amazing trading week ahead. See you guys.